Navigate to the fairUP.com platform. On the homepage, scroll down until you see the option Become a Scout. Clicking on it will lead you to the Scout introductory page, where detailed information about scouting is available. Upon interacting with any of the action buttons on this page, a registration form will appear. At this point, you have two options for registration: manually complete the required fields or use the Google account for a streamlined third-party registration. For the sake of this video, we will manually complete the registration form. Before moving on, ensure you've provided consent to the user registration policy. After a moment, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click on the link inside, and you'll be taken to the Scout application form, where you will be asked to complete two additional steps: enter your personal details and assess your particular skills that will be relevant for your prospective hosts. Once you are done, review your entries and submit the application. It usually takes up to 48 hours for our team to approve, or sometimes unfortunately reject, your request. By registering in this manner, two user roles are automatically activated in your dashboard: Traveler, the default role for everyone through which you can book your own experiences, and Scout, which you've just opted for, but still waiting for the approval. You can effortlessly toggle between these roles from the header of your dashboard page. After registering with fairUP, and before you can start assisting your first host, we'll require some additional information from you if this was not already provided as part of your existing hosting role. Our platform places the utmost importance on ensuring fair and legal trade. You'll be led through 4 straightforward, one-time steps. Firstly, we'll request any outstanding personal details, if any. Next, we'll delve into your business information. While the third and fourth steps, submitting your KYC documents and bank details, are optional initially, we strongly recommend completing them before welcoming your first booking. Otherwise, you will not be able to withdraw your booking payouts. You're now poised to receive your inaugural host assistance request. If you've pre-arranged assistance with a specific host, it's the perfect moment to prompt them to enlist you as a scout. However, before delving deeper, let me provide a concise tour of the additional tabs and features now available in your Scout dashboard. From the default overview page, you will be able to effortlessly add listings on behalf of your hosts and get a snapshot of all activities associated with them right at your fingertips. This view will get activated once the first listing is uploaded. Within the Experience tab, you'll find your hosts' listings neatly presented. Here, you can oversee their status and, when necessary, edit, freeze, or remove them. The Booking tab serves as the central point for managing your host's reservations. This space is intended for you to keep track of all bookings, including relevant details and associated actions: booking approval, rejection, cancellation. Please note that every new booking comes with a 12-hour expiration window. If not confirmed within this period, by you or your host, the booking will automatically expire. Prompt responses not only ensure seamless operations but also uphold your esteemed reputation. Then there's the Host tab, the primary destination for incoming host assistance requests. From this place, you will be able to approve or reject them or eventually end the relationship. Stay with us, a demonstration is coming shortly. Keep in mind that you are allowed to assist multiple hosts simultaneously. The payout section is designed to streamline the tracking and settlement of fees you've earned from bookings in return for your assistance. The final tab, the Messaging inbox. Here you'll find a dedicated space for direct conversations with your hosts or guests. The guest chat includes a 3-way communication feature, enabling fluid and simultaneous exchanges of messages among the host, yourself, and the guest, ensuring all are up to date. After familiarizing ourselves with the Scout dashboard, let's see if any scouting requests have come in. To do this, navigate back to your Host tab. Voila! The first request has arrived. It appears host Christina seeks your assistance. Before approving, review the host's profile to determine if they're a good fit for you. If you require more information before approval, utilize our communication tool by clicking the Send a Message button. You have two options: approve or reject the scouting request. For demonstration purposes, I'll approve it. Upon approval, you'll be prompted to choose the type of scouting assistance you wish to provide. The default option is the paid scouting service. With this, you earn a 15% commission from each successful booking with this host. Note that this commission is calculated based on the host's base price for the experience, not including any platform fees. Alternatively, the free scouting service means you're offering assistance without charge. This might be the case if you have a prior relationship with the host or are scouting as part of other compensated projects. For this demonstration, I'll select the paid scouting service. Upon confirmation, your relationship status is activated. Note that hosts benefit from a 7-day trial period, during which they can terminate the relationship without incurring any charges. Post-trial, you're eligible for a 15% commission on every successful booking. If a host decides to terminate the relationship after the trial, there are specific rules that apply. To delve into these, click the More option. This action will reveal 2 additional fields detailing the conditions for ending the relationship. Firstly, let's clarify the number of bookings required field. Picture this: the trial period concludes, and 2 weeks have elapsed in your partnership, yet no bookings have materialized. Even without bookings, you've likely dedicated time and resources to this host, such as listing setup, field photography, conversing with potential guests, etc. To ensure you're fairly compensated for your efforts, you can determine a minimum number of bookings before the host can terminate the relationship. Remember, each successful booking translates to fees, rewarding your invested time and energy. It's crucial to be equitable when determining the required bookings. Set this figure to 0 until you've made tangible contributions to the host. We also recommend refraining from frequent alterations to this number. Should your host wish to end the relationship immediately or is unable to wait for the specified required booking quota, you can introduce a one-time early termination fee. This fee offsets potential earnings from the predetermined required booking amount set previously. It's crucial to be equitable when determining this one-time fee. Set this figure to 0 until you've made tangible contributions to the host. We also recommend refraining from frequent alterations to this number. If both fields are set to 0, this means that your host can terminate the relationship at any time without incurring any charges. Now we are all set to add the first listing for our host. Head over to the Overview tab and click on Add New Experience. This will launch the experience form, guiding you through the 7 essential sections to craft your unique offering. Let's fill in the form. Once you've filled it out, submit your experience. Typically, our team takes 2 days to review and approve listings. We hope you enjoy your time on our platform. Should you have any queries, our support team is just a message away.